This is Algebra 2. We're taking notes over IXL D.3 so we can evaluate functions. So a few simple questions here. We have to find f of 3 when the function here is 111 over x plus 3. So the whole idea here, notice that x is 3 right here. So that's what the question is asking. So what is y when x is 3? So that is what the question is asking you to do. So we can just go to y equals, type in that function, not 0, this is x, plus 3, and then you go to the table. So we're looking for when x is 3, right there, y is 40. That is the only thing you really need to do. So f of 3 equals 40. The other way you could have done was by hand. So 111 over 3 plus 3, you can type that in the calculator. 111 over 3 plus 3, you will get the same answer. Either way, it's the same way, whatever is easier for you. The next one, we're following the same idea, so we're going to have to substitute 5 for x right here. So I'm going to do, again, two different ways. I'm going to do the y equals first. -4 minus 8. So the double bars here, they're called absolute value. Absolute value. And you can find that if you do second, 0, and it's the very first one. You can just push enter to put in the x right there. So absolute value, that is what it's called, and you can find it at second, 0, enter. We're looking for the value of y when x is 5. Boom, right there, super easy, 44, -44. And if you want to do it by hand, -4 minus 8, and then the absolute value of 5. You can solve it by hand, so -8 times 5, bring the 4 down here, it's -40, and then combine them, -44, same answer. You can do it by hand or not. Two more. I think right now you got it already. Y equals second, 0, enter, because we're trying to find the absolute value right here. When x is -10, y is 1. So f of -10. So y is 1 when x is -10. That's what it means. If you want to do it by hand, and the absolute value of that is 1 right here, and then you take the absolute value of 1, it's 1. It's 1, not a dash. 1. Last one. Y equals 8 plus 2x, don't forget to square. We're looking for x equals 1. Y is 100. Or if you want to do it by hand, so 2 times 1 is 2, plus 8 is 10. You square 10, which is the same as 10 times 10, which is 100. Same thing. You can do it by using the y equals, or you can just do it by substituting that in the formula.